Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy darker. We'll explore various methods to achieve a rich, deep color, from foundational cooking techniques to specific ingredient additions. You'll learn how to build flavor and hue simultaneously, ensuring your gravy is both visually appealing and delicious. Get ready to transform your gravy from pale to perfectly profound with these simple steps. The journey to darker gravy often begins with proper browning. Ensure your meat and drippings are deeply caramelized, as this fond provides a rich color foundation. When making a roux, cook the flour and fat until it reaches a deep, nutty brown. This step alone can dramatically enhance your gravy's final shade, adding depth of flavor too. Beyond browning, several ingredients can boost your gravy's color. A small amount of kitchen bouquet is a classic choice for instant darkening. A dash of soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce not only adds color, but also umami flavor. Using a dark beef or mushroom stock instead of lighter broths provides a deeper base. Even a tiny bit of instant coffee or unsweetened cocoa powder can subtly deepen the hue without altering taste. Achieving a dark gravy also involves smart techniques. Simmering your gravy gently allows the flavors and colors to concentrate, deepening its shade naturally. Always deglaze your pan thoroughly to capture all the flavorful, dark fond. Remember to add color enhancers gradually, tasting and observing, to prevent your gravy from becoming too dark. Finally, straining ensures a smooth, uniformly colored gravy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.